Why do you need a VPS, a virtual private server? Will it help you with performance, and what will it help you avoid? We're going to talk about all of that today.
Welcome to HolyGrail Algo, simplified trading. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. HolyGrail Algo is not liable for any loss or damages which may result directly or indirectly from such content.
Okay, so a virtual private server, a VPS. To start out, let's explain what it physically is, and then we'll explain how it works and why you absolutely need to be using one when you trade. A VPS is a physical computer or server sitting in a rack that you can remotely log into from your computer, from home, or from wherever you're at. When using one for trading, you want it to be as close to the stock exchange as possible. We use a company called HostVenom, which has its servers less than a mile from the stock exchange. We'll talk more about HostVenom at the end of this video, and make sure you watch the whole entire video because at the end we will give you a 50% off promo code for HostVenom if you do choose to use them as your VPS. So, why is the server being so close to the stock exchange so important? If you really stop and think about it, the closer you are to the exchange, the better you have for entry and exit orders. On average, there is between 2 and 6 billion trades a day. So having the fastest speed and being the closest to the stock exchange is going to get you in and out of orders faster than others. And I'm sure all of you have experienced when you had a buy order put out there and the market just blows right through it and it doesn't get you in. You weren't fast enough. You weren't on a VPS, so it wasn't able to fill your order. A lot of people think that because they are on the internet, they all have the same entry time. But when you enter a order, what you're doing is sending a signal from your computer to your internet or fiber connection, which then sends it to the stock exchange. If you're in California, you could see why being closer to the exchange would help. So instead of going from your home in California to your fiber connection, then back to the stock exchange, what it would be doing is happening directly there at the server less than a mile from the stock exchange. So you would go from your server to your fiber connection to the stock exchange, which is all less than a mile from the stock exchange versus hundreds of miles. So you can see how this would help with your entries and exit orders, because when you have hundreds of thousands of other trades coming through at the same time, you want to be first in line right there at the front in order for your orders to get filled first. Okay, so using a VPS gets you better entries and exits, but what else does it do? The server we use, HostVenom, has what's called redundant power. So if a storm hits your area or there's some type of a freak accident, and let's say you have a power outage or your computer has a meltdown, let's say, your account is safe on the server right where you left it, meaning you can log back in and resume exactly where you left off from. Alright, so now that we've discussed that a VPS gets you better entries and exit and it has redundant power, so you don't have to worry about losing your work, let's discuss what type of a VPS setup you would need to use for trading. Now, HostVenom has set up 3 packages specifically for trading. If you go to our website, holygrailalgo.com/resources, you will see a link to HostVenom VPS. Now, these 3 packages are custom to HolyGrail Algo, and you won't find them anywhere else. Now, choosing the package which is right for you is determined on what type of a trader you are and how advanced you are. If you're only using one chart and are only trading one symbol at a time, then the basic dual core package will work just fine. If you are a bit more advanced and you're viewing several charts and trading up to 2 at the same time, we recommend the standard triple core package. And anything above that, we recommend the quad core professional trading package. So we want to give a huge shout out to HostVenom because they are hooking everybody up with a 50% discount for your first month with promo code TradingVPS. Once you've selected your package, you can choose a name and password and type your promo code in here. After watching this video, I hope all of you have a little bit better understanding of what a VPS is, how it performs, and how it will help your performance as a trader.
Thank you for watching HolyGrail Algo. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop us some comments.